Hi guys. Okay, so our lesson today is all over our even and odd numbers. What the heck are even and odd numbers? Well, soon you'll be able to answer that question. Let's get started. I want you to pretend you are a zookeeper and it is feeding time for some starving animals. We are going to be feeding our animals, but in order to feed them, we have to share the food that we have equally amongst them, okay? Each person has to have the same amount. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, look at all this food that we have to share between the giraffe and the koala. How do we do this? What is our first step? Well, our first step can be that we give one to the giraffe and one to the koala. Do we still have more cubes left over? Yeah. Let me put them out so we can see them all. All right, so let's give another one to the giraffe and another one to the koala. So they each have two now, but we still have more. So let's keep going until we are all out of food. They each get 4. We still have more. Look, guys, we still have a few more left over. And we're just giving each person, each animal, one piece of food at a time. Okay, guys, look. I have one piece left over. I can't give it to the giraffe because then the koala would get hungry. And I can't give it to the koala because then the giraffe would get hungry. So this is my leftover piece of food. Now, how many pieces of food did the giraffe get? Well, let's count it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that should mean that the koala also has 16. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. They both have the same amount of food. Do we zookeepers have any extra pieces? Yeah, we do. We have 1. So in our Explore, because remember, I'm going to post this for you to use. It says to draw how many pieces of food the giraffe will eat. So let's draw 16. We can draw them in our circles like this. And then we have a rod for our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then a rod for our 10. They each have the same amount. Did we have any left over? Yeah, we had 1 piece. How many total number of pieces of food were there? Can we count them all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So is the starting total even or odd? Remember with even, they each have the same amount. that is even, that there are no leftovers. But if they're odd, there's always going to be some leftover. So is this starting total even or odd? Say it out loud, loud and proud. Good, I think I heard people, it is odd because there's one left over. How did you know? One leftover piece. One leftover. All right, are y'all ready to move on to the next animals? Ooh, let's see. We have monkeys and bears. Oh my, monkeys and bears? That's kind of scary. All right, here are all the pieces of food. Now, how do we start? Can we see how many there are total in all? All right, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, now we're trying to figure out if they are going to be the same number with no leftover pieces. All right, so let's begin. They each get 1. They each get 1. I still have some left over to give them. Look at that. We don't have any leftover pieces. How many pieces of food did the monkey get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let's draw that out. We have our 10, 11, 12, 13. And now how many did the bear get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If you look, guys, they each have a pair. This monkey and the bear, their first one, that's a pair. These are pairs. This is a pair. They all have another pair. So how many leftover pieces did we have? 0. So is the starting total even or odd? Remember, when we look for even or odd, we're looking for our leftover pieces. Because we don't have any leftover, that means it is even. How do we know? 0 left over. You getting the hang of this? Y'all want to do one more and we can kind of go from there? All right, station 3. I wonder what animals we're feeding now. Ooh, a pig and it looks like maybe a penguin? I don't know what that is. All right, let's see. Okay. Here we go. Our first step, we have to count the total number of pieces of food. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so now we have to split them up between our pig and our penguin. So pig gets 1, penguin gets 1. Pig gets 2, penguin gets 2. 3 and 3. Remember, they each have to have a pair. I can't stop until all of my pieces are done or I have one left over. Oh, look at that, guys. I can't give the pig one because then the penguin would get mad at me. I can't give the penguin one because then the pig would come after me. So it's my leftover piece. So how many pieces of food will the pig eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. How many will the penguin eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. How many leftover pieces were there? Oh, we had 1. So is the starting total even or odd? Say it loud and proud. Odd. But how did you know? Because there was 1 left over. Oh my gosh, y'all are geniuses. Okay, I want us to think about now. How do we tell really quickly if a number is even or odd? So if I was just gonna do my little T-chart, I have even numbers and I have odd numbers. What was the number from our very first station? What was it in the starting number? Remember, it was a 33. What do we notice that's in the ones place? The number 3. And remember, we had 1 left over with that 3. What about the number 26? The 26, did we have any left over? No. All right, what about the number 19? That was our third one with the pig and the penguin. That, y'all told me we had 1 left. So it was odd. Boys and girls, when we're trying to figure out odd and even numbers quickly, we are only gonna look at the ones place. Just the ones. This is going to tell us if it is even or odd. That's 6. I have 1 here, 1 here. They each have a pair. I don't have to look at the tens place. If I'm looking at the number 3, I have 1 and 1, but I have 1 left over. The 9. And then 1 left over. They each have a pair, except that 1. When we are counting, guys, even or odd numbers, we're just looking at the ones place value. That's the only number that makes any kind of difference. We're gonna be looking for the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. We're skip counting. We're looking for the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. We're gonna be skip counting by 2s for even. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If it's odd, we're skip counting. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. When we, let's say we have this number, we're gonna do it really fast. Y'all are gonna tell me if it's even or odd. the number 37. I'm only going to look at that number 7. Look, pairs, pair, pair. 1 left over. So is 7 odd? Yeah. 37 is odd. All right, let's look at one more. What about the number 40? Does anybody get anything? Nope, not with that 0 there. So that is even. All right, when you're doing your practice today, keep in mind, skip counting. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. All right, guys, I hope y'all have a great day. Enjoy feeding those wild animals. All right, talk to you later. Bye.